Hello everybody, welcome back to Vtube Central. My name is Nova and I'm going to be your host today because we got a pretty damn good one for you. As you can see by the title, this is how to install Clip Studio on Linux using bottles. And it's going to be with an application. We're going to call this Clip Studio thing for YouTube for now. And we're going to click Syswine. And we click create. I already done this, so Clip Studio Paint right here, already done. Now, what we want to do for this is a few things. First, we go to dependencies, scroll all the way down until we get to, where is it? It's the WebView thing. WebView 2. We install WebView 2. And this will install WebView 2. We'll be right back after this is done. Just let this run. Now WebView 2 is installed. We just click the close button, of course. Then we want to go up to VC Redist 2022, 2015 to 2022 to be specific. And then click download and install this dependency. And let this installation run. It'll take a second. Okay, the installation is finished. Let me just click close again. Now we go all the way back up to the top of this right here. It's just 3 dependencies, by the way. And then install all fonts. While all fonts is installing, actually, all fonts is finished. Now, there's a few things that we have to do. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to click Run Executable, go to your Downloads folder, click on CSP 410W, and click on Run. Now the installation is finished, so we just click the Finish button. Now before we launch Clip Studio Paint, I know that there's a bunch of people that are very excited to launch Clip Studio Paint. Before we launch Clip Studio Paint, there's a few things that we need to do. First things first, we need to click Add a Shortcut. Go to Drive C, Program Files, Celis, Clip Studio 1.5, Clip Studio, and then clipstudio.exe. Add that one. We will remove from list the secondary one because it actually auto-added it. Drive C, program data. No, not that one actually. Program file. Then we need to add the actual Clip Studio Paint. So we need to add another shortcut. Drive C, program files, Celis, 1.5, Clip Studio Paint, and clipstudiopaint.exe. That will add that to this list as well. It will try to auto-run, but it won't actually. Now, what we do, we go to Legacy Wine Tools, Configuration. On Applications tab, we click Add Application. Go back to Program Files, Celis, Clip Studio Paint, clipstudiopaint.exe. That. And set this to Windows 8.1. And click Apply. Then the next thing that we need to do is we need to add Microsoft Edge WebView to this same exact thing. So what we need to do is we need to go Add Application, Program Files x86, Microsoft Edge WebView, Applications, 1.09 or whatever the latest version of that is, WebView 2, and then we need to set this to Windows 8.1 or 8 legacy support as well. And click Apply, and then click Apply again. Now, you're fully installed and ready to go. All you have to do is just click the play button and let Clip Studio launch. I'm going to turn off this just so that they don't see it. Click on do not show this again and click close for that. Now we just click OK. We have to make sure that we click the OK button on it and let it extract the materials. Now we have to click yes to download the 2.5 extra gigabytes of additional materials. This is going to take a little bit, so we're going to skip ahead, of course. Alrighty, and now the data transfer is finished. All we gotta do is just click the X button. Now, Clip Studio is fully set up, so all we gotta do is just click Draw. Well, actually, we should click Login first, but we're gonna click Draw. That's gonna load up Clip Studio Paint, and literally, we're just gonna click the Try Clip Studio Paint button. Of course, you can log in with your account. There is no shame in logging in, and it will still just fully function. And Clip Studio is an awesome little program, and I hope you loved this tutorial just as much as I loved figuring out how to install Clip Studio on Linux to help you guys on your transfer over from Windows and crazy corporations. With that being said, and everything else like that, have a great day.